So for this practice, we're going to do some upregulation. So we've been doing a lot of breathing down to the belly. We're going to get this chest working now. So first of all, I want you to put your hands on the chest and feel the ribs here. These are ribs 6 to 10 here. And see if you can breathe into these. This kind of horizontal breath. And you can actively inhale. Feel the ribs press into your hand. You can actively exhale. Let the first part of the exhalation be relaxation, and then actively exhale and squeeze these ribs in and slightly down. So inhale. Diaphragm's going down, rib spaces opening. Feel the spaces underneath your fingers. Exhale passive and then squeeze the exhale out. Now as you're breathing here, I want you to feel in. If you put one hand on the back, if you can reach around there, or just feel into the back. And see if you can breathe into the back of the body first here. So you breathe in to the back of the ribs, then into the side of the ribs, and then to the front of here. So it's a back, side, front breath, really to activate this 360-degree feeling around these lower ribs, 6 to 10. It's almost like you're breathing into wings on the back or something like that. The belly's still moving a bit. It's fine. We've got some abdominal breath as well. The diaphragm's pushing down into there, but we're really activating these rib spaces here. Great stuff. So that's the beginning. So with this activation of the muscles between the ribs, we're going to take 3 waves on the inhale to feel the lower ribs, 6 to 10, sort of slightly higher ribs, and see if we can breathe all the way up into these upper ribs here, just underneath the collarbone. So it's going to be kind of like an inhale here, backside front, remember, second level, backside front, inhale, and third level, backside front, inhale here. So it almost feels like you're breathing up the back of the neck into the top of the head. Of course you're not, but it feels like that, right? So this whole inhale, really switching on the thoracic cavity, getting these lungs opened here. And then exhale, release. Release, release, and then a little squeeze at the end of the exhale. And then into the inhale again. Backside front first level, backside front second level, backside front third level. All in through the nose. Feels like you're breathing into the top of the back of the head. And then breathe out, relax, and then squeeze that last bit of breath out here. And into the inhale again. So that's how we're going to be breathing here for this practice. Now, if you can sustain it, it's quite nice to put your arms up into the air like this. Yeah? Reach out, get the palms open. Really, really open the palms up and turn these palms up in this way, like this. Okay? So that's about a 60-degree angle or so. Get the angle right. So we're going to open up here. Now this is training. You have to train the muscles. You can't expect to just be able to do it if you've never done it before. So give yourself time. Start with just 9 breaths like this. That's a really good place to begin. But get every breath, every single breath has to be good quality. There's no point in rushing, no point in doing it badly, right? Do it well. Get this really working and feel it. Remember, awareness comes first. If you can't sustain the arms up, because that's work as well, if that feels too much, then bring them down here or just rest them on your lap, either way. But we're going to get that chest opening. So let's aim for 9 to 30 breaths like this. Neck relax, wiggle your neck. Tongue in place, jaw relax, face relax. You get the idea. You can carry on breathing like this, really full power it. And to finish, we're simply going to breathe in. I'm going to exhale first, exhale. Inhale, full last inhale. Hold the breath in the body. Hold the breath in the body. And for this practice, simply bring the hands together if you've got them above your head. Drop them down. Just push the elbows up. Pulse up into the elbows for a moment. Bring the arms down. Rest them on the knees. You've got them on the knees, all good. Hold the breath in the body for a moment. Release the shoulders. Make sure these upper traps are released. Release the face, the neck, the jaw. Make everything relaxed. Still holding the breath. And gently pulse your pelvic floor. Front and middle of the pelvic floor. Pulse softly. Hold the breath for as long as feels good. When you're ready, wriggle the neck. Relax. Relax the shoulders. Softly exhale. Hold the breath out the body. Hold the breath out the body. As long as you can hold it, gently. You've been increasing the ventilatory rate. So we're just going to recalibrate those carbon dioxide levels. Breath holds. When you need to breathe in, relax any muscles. Smile. Consciously inhale. If you do 4 rounds like this, 4 rounds, you've got a really good practice you're building.